guys, so today I want to build a coat hanger slash hat rack with my mom. This is Hortensia, and she's going to be joining me for this build, and I'm going to show her how to use a handful of these tools for this project. To get this project started, we want to start by using the GTA 26, and we're going to go ahead and start by cutting part of your pomegranate. I think we have plenty of good branches to use. If you want to start using the hand pruners to just cut back some of the extra twigs. You want to cut it, Mom?
I'll try it.
Here you go. Nice. That's a pretty frame.
Yeah.
After picking out some of the sticks that have some different characteristics, we are fitting them into the frame, using the GTA to trim them down if we need to, and of course, trying to pick out a few pieces that would work great to hang keys or scarves, or maybe a hat.
All right, let's check it out.
Okay. That looks awesome.
Yeah, that looks great.
Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions about the tools that we used or just the project in general.